Section 1. Hello, little builder. Let's make something fun. Hello, my wonderful little friend. It is so lovely to see you today. Are you ready to have some fun with me? I am so excited because we are going to be builders. Yes, you and me. We are going to build something very special together. We are going to make a bridge. It will be a small bridge, just the right size for your little toys to cross over. Imagine a little car driving over our bridge, or a little animal walking from one side to the other. It is going to be such a fun project, and we will do it all together, one little step at a time. It will be our very own creation. We are going to use some simple and fun things to build our bridge. Section 2. Our special building tools. Let's look at our special building tools one more time, so we know exactly what we are using. The most important part of our bridge is these. These are called popsicle sticks. Can you say that with me? Popsicle sticks. They are long and flat and feel so smooth in your hands. We have a big pile of them, don't we? We can hold one and see how light it is. This little stick will be one of the many pieces we use to make something big and strong. They are like little wooden planks, just like the ones real builders use to make real bridges, only much, much smaller and perfect for our hands. Next, we have our magic sticky stuff. This is our glue. This is what will hold our popsicle sticks together so they can become a bridge. When we put a little dot of glue on a stick and press another stick onto it, we have to wait for a little while. It's like giving the sticks a little hug so they stay in place. And what about our little tester? Here is our small toy. I have a little blue car. Section 3. Let's be safe and tidy. Before we begin our amazing building project, we have to talk about one very important rule. It is our safety rule. Safety is always the first thing we think about so that we can have fun without any OEs. We will be very gentle with our glue. We will be very careful if scissors are nearby. We only put glue on our popsicle sticks, not on our fingers, not on our clothes, not on the table. And we never ever touch the sharp part of the scissors. It's a tool for grown-ups only. Can you promise to remember that? Always ask an adult for help. Now that we know our safety rule, let's get our special building area ready. We need a nice, clean, flat place to work. A table like this one is perfect. It is empty and gives us lots of room to spread out our popsicle sticks. Let's get them organized so they are easy to grab when we need them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, we have a pile of 5 sticks right here. Perfect. Having our sticks in neat little groups makes it so much easier to build. Section 4. Getting our sticks ready. Okay, little builder, the time has come to start putting our bridge together. The very first step is to make the bottom part of our bridge. This is called the deck. Lay down one stick, then another. Add a third, a fourth, and a fifth. Look at that, a flat rectangle of 5 popsicle sticks. It looks like a little raft. Now make another one just like it. Lay one, then a second, a third, a fourth, and a fifth. Now we have 2 flat sections. These 2 flat parts need supports. A support is a stick that goes across the other sticks to hold them in place. Lay it across near one end. Take a second new stick and place it across the other end. Let's do the exact same supports for the other flat section. Now we have 2 strong sections ready for glue. It is glue time. We are going to put a tiny dot of glue on each of the 5 sticks underneath. 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots. Now press it down softly. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now, we have to do the most important part of gluing. We have to wait. Can you say that with me? Wait. We will put our 5 little dots again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place the support and press down gently. While this is drying, we can do the exact same thing to our other flat section. 1 dot, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press. Then the other end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press. Look at that. We have now glued both of our flat bridge sections. They are becoming strong and solid. You are doing an amazing job, little builder. Let's give them just a minute to dry before we move on to the next exciting step of building up. A bridge needs sides. These sides are called trusses. We are going to use a special shape, a triangle. Put a tiny dot of glue where the two sticks touch. Hold it carefully. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let's make more. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. These will be the pillars that hold up our roadway. Put a thin line of glue along the long edge. Place one triangle near one end and the second near the other. Hold them so they stand up straight. Now we need to do the exact same thing on the other side. Put a thin line of glue, then place the two triangles, one in front, one in back. Look, two separate pieces that look the same. Each piece has a flat road and two triangle sides. Put little dots of glue on the top points of the two triangles. One dot here, one dot here. Take the other bridge piece, turn it over. Gently place it on top. Line it up so it looks neat and tidy. We are connecting the two sides. Press down very gently. Our bridge is now a complete structure. It has a bottom road, a top road, strong triangle supports on the sides. Give it a few minutes to dry completely. Let's count to 20 very slowly while the glue works its final magic. There is no need to rush. The best part is taking our time and enjoying the process. Waiting is part of being a good builder. Good patience, little builder. Soon our little tester will get a turn. You are doing so well. It looks neat and strong. I think the glue is ready now. The moment we have been waiting for is finally here. Our bridge has been drying and the glue feels strong. We are going to place it on the bridge very, very gently. Look, the car is driving across your bridge. It went all the way from one side to the other. Hooray! You did it! You are an official bridge builder. If it wobbled, we could just add one more support stick on top or the bottom to make it even stronger. We can decorate it. A star on top, maybe a smiley on the side. Let's tidy up. Step 1, cap the glue. Step 2, put sticks back in the box. Step 3, little bits go in the bin. Look at our table now. It is all clean and tidy. Wonderful work, my little builder friend.